If you have not verified your address to receive payments from YouTube, you are joking. There is something that I put here. Look at it very well. If yours is reflecting like this, I will urge you to go there and click on it and verify your address. All right, so let's get this video started. I'm going to be explaining how you are going to verify your address, because what YouTube put there is actually your PIN has been sent to your address, be it your house address, your company address, or the location where you want AdSense to send your PIN to. That is what is reflecting, because AdSense will remind YouTube, and YouTube will put it at your dashboard. At the other side, the dollar sign. When you click on it, you see verify your identity, meaning verify your address. And when you click on it, it will take you to AdSense, where you actually go and put in that PIN in case you have received it, to activate your payment. Some people all come in $10, some comes in $100. So anyhow you meet up, and it's also on different currency rates, different currency, be it dollar, euro, pounds. It can come in it, especially when you meet up the $10 threshold. It normally come at that time. So view the picture very well and see, or go and check your YouTube YT to actually know what it is, because if you ignore it, the consequences are very high. You're going to lose AdSense, and you also lose your monetization as well. But although they give you up to 4 months, they will take it and bring it back, take it and bring it back. And if they send you the first PIN, you can't request for a second PIN unless 3 weeks, and you're gonna wait. And especially if you already make to that amount, that you maybe to amount of $150, $120, YouTube will certainly take their own tax, and going back to make that same amount again, or to fill it up, is quite exhausting. So be aware and don't do I know video for the purpose of those that ask, what if they did not find out early? Of course, because one thing with me as a coach, I always tell my student that your dashboard, your YT studio, YouTube studio dashboard is not for decoration. Every morning you go there, or every morning when you wake up, the first thing you do after your morning activities, check your dashboard. At least if you are not monetized, check how many watch hour you have gotten from the previous videos that you uploaded. That's how to actually know that you are consistent, what you are doing is actually working. And as for those that are monetized, I always tell them that check your dashboard so that you can check how much you have earned from so video, because YouTube give you estimates revenue, or estimates how much you make from this video. Is always there within 24 hours, 72 hours. YouTube will always bring your estimates to your dashboard. That's why your money will be increasing every single day. If your money is not increasing, maybe every 2 days, every 3 days, every week, if your money is not increasing, that means your channel actually have a problem. Maybe your monetization will be strike, or something must have happened to your channel that you are not earning. As long as nothing happened to your channel and you upload a video, your dollar sign is being put on, which is the monetization, you are actually earning, even though you earn 10 views. When you click on that video, you will see that YouTube actually calculates, maybe in the next 2 days or in the next 24 hours, you come back to check on that video, you actually see the estimate revenue on that video, or in that video. Because when you click on the analysis, it will take you straight to where your earnings are and how your videos are actually earning. And especially if you click on 365 days, and then you are not monetized, but 28 days, 90 days, you already monetize. Depend on when you monetize and when you started earning on YouTube. So for this question that most of my students ask me, I'm here to answer it by telling them that, see, If you are not paying attention to your dollar sign on your YouTube dashboard, you're going to regret it. Honestly, all your work are going to be in vain. Although AdSense gave us 4 months, and you know how time flies. Sometimes you can just forget. And we don't even go close to AdSense. A lot of you don't even go close to AdSense. Because AdSense, you need to sign in, and especially if you forget your password, you are going to explain. You will explain tire. You understand? So AdSense gave you 4 months to actually be done with it, to get that pin, to fill in. If not, you're going to regret it. So, and the other thing is, as you are not getting the pin to fill in to that blanket, they ask you to put in the pin. It's a 6-digit pin. When you put it in, your address will be verified for payment. And as long as you are not filling in the 6-digit pin, that means your payment is it will be on hold. It's going to be on hold as long as you are not filling it in. And if 4 months crosses, that means all your hard work on YouTube, everything is AdSense would demonetize, like would deactivate your account on the Google AdSense account. What do you gain? You gain nothing. So the best way, if I'm to advise you, the best way you would do now is to go there, verify your address. Because sometimes when AdSense send you the pin, remember when you got monetized on YouTube, you hit the 4,000 watch hour. AdSense already take your information when you fill it in. So when you check from that time to the time that AdSense now remind you to verify your identity and also verify your address, it's been 3 weeks or 1 month since you get monetized. Those information you fill into AdSense, that's where they are going to send your pin to. There are some people they send it to their email. Some people they send it to their location. You go there, you take it as an envelope. All right, if I get a picture, I'll put it here. You take it as an envelope, you open it, you read, then you see the 6-digit pin. You understand? So from there, you just sign into AdSense. From there, you put in the 6-digit pin. If you don't know how to do it, reach out to a coach. Don't do it yourself. Don't go and make mistake. It will cost you a lot. So if you don't know how to do it, don't even dream it. Don't touch it. Watch it. Don't touch it. Send it to someone that can actually help you with it. Because if not, let me not scare you. Anyway, as long as you are ignoring the verify your identity or verify your address, so as AdSense will also be ignoring you during the time you will cash out. The effort during that time will be so massive. You have to wait for the pin. It will be so massive. Your money will be piling. It will be piling. It will be piling. It will be piling. If the location that you put in, if that location is no more existing, I don't know what is going to happen to you. So my advice is, go to your dashboard now. Click on the dollar sign, the whitey studio. Click on the dollar sign. You will see something like this. Please click on it. Check what is there. Check what they want you to put there. And when you go into AdSense, especially when it take you there, it take you to sign in. When you go into AdSense, and they will show you the addresses they have sent, that same address you fill in that time, that's the address they send your pin to. And they will show you, they will line it there. If you have not verified your identity, and the second one now, you have not also verified your address for payment, that means you have 2 jobs to do. So if you don't know this, know it now. So you will see your address down there, and they will ask you to confirm. Either you call the location, you call the post office, the details you put there. Just go there and go and check. If you can't go today, you can go tomorrow, go next tomorrow. Go and check it. As long as it has not arrived, at least you know that they have sent it to you, but it has not arrived yet. And also reach out to AdSense, write them, tell them that you have not received your pin yet. If you can't do that, reach out to a coach, or you reach out to someone that can do it for you. You just need to kind of settle the person. That's it, because people don't do things for free anymore. I don't know who you are going to meet. Anyways, so that's all I have for you guys, because these questions have been coming to me of a recent. Oh, I heard you talk about identity the other time on YouTube. How do I go about it? So this is how you can actually go about it. And if you are watching me now, you have not seen the video I talk about how to identify your identity on YouTube slash AdSense. I'll be putting the video up here so that you can go and check it out and learn how to do this thing. If not, don't come and announce that YouTube is so hard. YouTube is not hard. It's you are hard, you are difficult. All right, so do the needful so that you can receive your payment, because YouTube money dey sweet. You can receive the payments and settle some of your bills. That's what YouTube wants from you. As a creator, they employ you, and as they are paying you salary and the salary is not getting to you, they will not be happy. So do the needful so that you will not have issues with your Google AdSense, or you have issues with YouTube, because YouTube not a pity person. The monetization straight you will collect. I've come to the end of this topic, and if there is anything you want to know concerning this verify your address or verify your identity, reach out to me on WhatsApp. For some of you that have my WhatsApp number, reach out to me over there. You can follow me up on my other channel, Rebecca Iduwe. My WhatsApp numbers are there, and you can follow me up on Facebook as well, Riri or Kate. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscription button if you find this video so helpful and educative, and like this video as well. Share it to your loved one. Share it to whosoever that is having trouble concerning how to verify their identity or address as well. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll come your way again in my next video. Bye.